Welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I am Daniel, and today we're going to be replacing the upper radiator hose on my Chevy Colorado. It blew open and was throwing antifreeze everywhere. It could have made it a little bit longer, but I didn't want to risk it with these heated temperatures. So I am going to tell you. Okay, so my hose is actually the original hose. GM number 15123-271, and I'm going to be replacing it with a Continental. It's going to be part number B72267 or 66123, or it might be all of those numbers. Actually, it might be B72267 66123. I'm sure it's that option. So anyways, it's real easy to change this hose. The worst of it is these stupid clamps they put on here from the factory, which I hate, but I'm going to deal with it. So what I like to do is take some channel locks, put it on there like so, and just work it backwards. And it actually lock in place like it's supposed to do. That's kind of nice, but they're kind of a pain in the butt too when they do that. Well, see, it helps to get the channel locks where they need to be. Alright, so you're just going to work it back and forth a little bit, and then it should come off. Now, keep in mind that when you're doing this, you want to have a drain pan down underneath just in case there is any residual antifreeze in the system. So, and I didn't get that clamp off all the way. Fun. Alright, so that should be off all the way. Oh, does not want to come off. Go ahead and take that clamp off right there. Be honest with you, if I have the clamps I need, I'll probably replace these stupid factory clamps with some good hose clamps. Pretty sure I got some. Well, that sucker's been on there, so I'm going to cut the clip here real quick and I'll come back into it here in just a moment. Okay, so sometimes you got to take out a carpenter knife and cut the hose off to get it off there. So that's what I did, was I just cut a nice line in it. I am not going to be using these old clamps. They are junk. I hate them. So those will go to the scrap pile. They don't go flying everywhere. And I will be using these type of clamps. So these are way better clamps. So anyways, yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed this end on first. There should be that in there. And I know you're going, oh no, you forgot your clamp. No, I didn't forget it. So what I'm going to do is go get a tool to do the clamp with as I go, so I'll be right back. So I went ahead and snugged down this clamp down here that you guys can't see. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. It's real easy. It's using a 5/16 nut driver, and I'm just going to snug these down a little bit. before I actually put them on. And it's pretty much it on it. Obviously, if you lost any antifreeze while doing this, you want to take your uh, drain pan and properly dispose of it. And obviously put yourself some new antifreeze in there. Depending on how much you lost, I don't think I lost that much, but what the hell is going on with this thing? I don't think I got that down all the way because it's got a hell of a kink in it. Let me come back. I'll fix this real quick, figure out what's going on. I'll be right back. So I was trying to figure out why the hose was so long, and it's actually too long for this application. Now I could call and gripe, or I could just fix it. So what I want to do is end up cutting off that little bit extra. So it ain't no big deal. So let's see here, make sure I got this on it right. Okay, maybe I was wrong. It ain't too long. Maybe I just had the wrong ends. Oh, anyways, yeah. So I'll try this again. It goes like that. It is just a hair longer, but it shouldn't be a problem. So what I'll do is this here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use just a little bit of this oil I got sitting around. It's air tool oil. I'm going to use it to kind of lube up this part here, make it where it slides on better. So then I need to make sure that I got the angle right. Yep. So just going to slip that on all the way, and you want go ahead and put my hose on there so I'm not forgetting that. I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of this oil again. Let's make sure you guys can see that. Yep. Okay. So I'm just going to put just a little bit of oil on there. Just kind of help lube this up. And slide on there. There we go. It's on there pretty much right. I think it's just a hair bit too long, but we shall see. I don't want a pinch in it. It'll be all right. I don't think it's going to hurt anything the way it is. It's still got good flow through there, so I'm going to leave it alone. But what you're going to do now is get your clamps up in place. And see the clamp floated around it pretty good, so and go ahead and get this one snug down as well. And then what I like to do is cut these off, these little bit off here, because they don't need to be that long. So let me go get them cutters. You want just a little bit extra on there, but you don't need a whole lot extra. So I'm actually going to use 10 snips, see if I'll cut through it. Should. Yep, just like that. Maybe. There does not want to cut for some reason. So anyways, yeah, I can do that off camera, but if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, comments, share, feel free to subscribe. I got 875 subscribers right now, so once I get to 1,000 subscriber, I'll be doing a giveaway for LED nightlight pods with wire harness, complete with everything. So if you're subscribing to this now, you'll be getting in that here very soon. I'll be putting a video out there about that. Also, and this will be up here toward the beginning of the video. I get a lot of shrewd comments about my nervous condition. I cannot help it. It's like Parkinson's. It sucks, but at least I'm making videos about it. So anyways, yep. So that's pretty much it. I also have to do a flush the system, but I'm not going to worry about that today. I got to go to work here soon. So, but anyways, yep. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching.